Hi folks, welcome to RJA Impact. Falling under the radar somewhat this week with the analysis of Elizabeth Holmes' sentencing taking centre stage was the sentencing of another couple who were prominent in the media during the mid to late 2010s. Todd and Julie Chrisley, the stars of the reality TV show Chrisley Knows best, were sentenced on Monday this week, that's the 21st of November, to prison after being convicted of defrauding banks to obtain of more than $30 million. In addition, they were convicted of evading taxes, and apparently all of this was to finance their incredibly lavish lifestyle. Their TV show put them out to be real estate gurus and highlighted their luxurious day-to-day existence as it did. Todd Chrisley was sentenced to 12 years and Julie Chrisley was sentenced to 7 years, and in addition they have 3 years probation which they'll face on release. As is common in these cases, restitution will be due, although this is yet to be decided and will be determined at a later date. James Dorsey, an IRS and criminal investigation agent, said that the Chrisleys had committed the crimes, in quotes, in an effort to minimise their tax liability but to project an image of wealth. The trial itself lasted about 3 weeks in front of a jury, and between them they were found guilty of 8 fraud counts, 2 counts of tax evasion, and in addition Julie Chrisley was found guilty of 2 additional counts relating to wire fraud and obstruction of justice. This sentencing serves notice that no matter a person's celebrity status, there are severe consequences for defrauding the American tax system, said Dorsey. Apparently they will get to spend Christmas and New Year's out of prison, being required to submit for incarceration after January 1st, 2023. The Chrisleys, in response, said that they planned to appeal their convictions. Of course they did. They actually faced much worse and could consider themselves lucky in one sense, as in the prosecution sentencing memo, the judge was asked for 21 years for Todd and 12 years for Julie. Summarising their case, the prosecution said, "The Chrisleys have built an empire based on the lie that their wealth came from dedication and hard work, and the jury's unanimous verdict set the record straight. Todd and Julie Chrisley are career swindlers who have made a living by jumping from one fraud scheme to another, lying to banks, stiffing vendors, and evading taxes at every corner." The fraud itself was crude but effective. Between them and a former business partner, they created false bank statements, false audit reports, and false personal financial statements, and as a result they were able to get over $36 million in personal loans. What did they do with that? Well, they bought luxury cars, real estates, and other lavish items. In other words, they funded their lifestyle. When the money was gone and the repayments couldn't be made, Todd at least filed for bankruptcy as their faux lifestyle crumbled around them. Now, they really did earn millions from the reality TV show and moved money from corporate bank accounts, changing the names of the accounts to other family members, so when the IRS asked for information about their own personal accounts, they thought they'd hidden the money. When confronted, Julie then lied to a grand jury who had subpoenaed her, hence the obstruction charge that she faced in addition. Despite all evidence that they were making, in common parlance, shed loads of money, the couple did not file or pay taxes in 2013, 2014, 2015 and 2016, and filed false accounts showing that at least one company did not make any money during that time. Their accomplice, who helped them file the fraudulent documents, Mr. Tarantino, no relation to the film director, was sentenced to 3 years in prison. If you've liked this update, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. It's very much appreciated. Bye for now.